Hi everybody and welcome. Today I do have SteelSeries Arctis 5X Nova and I'm going to tell you how to install its app for your Windows PC. So, at first we have to enter Chrome or our web browser, and here we have to search for SteelSeries GG. Here, the first one, we have SteelSeries GG. We have to open it. And here, as you can see, get more out of your game. Here we have free download for Windows, and here we have free download for macOS. We have to tap on this orange button, which is download button for Windows, and as you can see here we do have our file in download history. We have to click on it. Now as you can see we have please wait while setup is loading. So we just have to wait a moment. I'm going to close it. It may take a while, so don't worry. And now we have installer language. Here we can select our language of our installer, and then we have to click OK. Here next, and this is the license agreement. We can scroll it, we can read it if you want, and here I agree. Here we have installing, and this is our output folder for our applications. As you can see, it's on drive C, which is main drive, program files, SteelSeries/GG, box/GG. And here we have our application files. It may take a while too, so don't worry. And as you can see here we have our completing SteelSeries GG setup. Here we have to click finish, and now as you can see it will redirect us to the website, but we can close it, and now our application is installed. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.